Well, good afternoon. I'm filming this on the same day I filmed this. Today is day 23 of December Daily, and I'm Sylvia Phillips, the crafty old lady. I think I'm actually going to completely cover this with little snippets of these different this one I don't think I'm going to cut up, though. With different little snippets. And what I think I'm at first going to do is take these larger ones. I'm going to cut this white part off and just tear a little bit of this one. And then tear a little bit of this one and put them on these each side. Then I have to have my innard part figured out first. So I am going to cut these and rip them before I do anything else, though. So this particular piece is called The Baby's Whisper, which I thought would be very appropriate for baby Jesus, even though we're not going to see it, what it says. I like that, but I feel like there's something missing. Just don't know what. I also kind of feel like this is just too thick. And I don't want to totally take away from it either. That kind of looks okay. I think it will ink everything up too. But I still feel like something's missing. Like I said, I don't know what. But I am going to glue down this paper. And I'm just going to try to do it like this. Okay. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it all the way up at the top. There seems to be glue all the way up there. I'm going to cut the edge off. Looks like it actually needs to move up, but I think this paper's too fragile to try to take off and put back on again. So, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this here. Want it to look nice. Okay, so we got that. And we've got this. And then we've got, oh, definitely, I should have put it up maybe a little bit higher, but yeah, I can come down. I just don't want any white showing up there, but I also need to decide if this is not going to be on the top or this is going to be on the top. I kind of like it this way better, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this one down. I'll put the glue on there. Well, I hope you're doing well on this 23rd day of December. I have completed all the requirements that I need to do before I can start working at the job I was talking about. It's at, I got the substitute job for working in a homeless shelter and a domestic violence shelter. So now they're working on all the background checks and all that stuff. And then I don't foresee any issues with the background checks, so I'm sure that'll be pretty soon. I don't know how long it takes. I'm sure it'll be after Christmas, of course. Let's put that there. But I'm excited and nervous about working. Like I said, I haven't worked in 45 years. So I'm going back into the workforce at 65 years old. So now I'm going to put this up here. So I really am kind of nervous about it. Okay, I don't see any white showing through anywhere, so that's good. Alright, cut these things off, and then I need to figure out what I feel like I'm missing. Maybe a little Christmas sweater. I don't know. But I feel like I got my two favorites in there, and can always use some for next year. And I could, like, I'm actually going to cover this pocket up because that's the 24th, and I got something in mind for the 24th that doesn't involve a pocket, and I don't want to actually, maybe I'll put some of the images in the pocket that I've already cut out so I can have them. Should put them in here. Yeah, I'm thinking ahead. I need to think about today. Let's see. No, I don't think one of those would be cute. Oh, maybe a tag. We've got this. Seems a little big, but what if I cut off all of this sparkly stuff? I think I'm going to cut that off and then we'll check it out. So here's what this looks like. I kind of like it. I'm not sure. Maybe down here? I think I'm just going to go for it. I don't think I have anything that I like better. I do think I'm going to ink around these edges though. It will work. So yeah, I think I'm just going to go glue this on. I cut it down quite a bit so it wouldn't cover up everything behind it. And so I'm trying to get the rest of my spreads all done so I can concentrate on getting ready for Christmas now and have these just scheduled to go on the right days. And so now I just have to maybe like this. I don't want to totally cover up the music paper either, so we'll put him there. And I think I'm going to use tiny little numbers for 23. Let's see, I've got black, and it is a little bit sparkly, but I think it's okay. I could have stamped it too, and come to think of it. 23. So that is it for day 23. Oh, I've got wrinkles in both of my numbers there, but I think we'll live. We'll survive. So that's it for day 23 of December Daily, and I'm going to just go right to 24, and what I'm going to do, I think, is just put that in here. Unfortunately, I think I am going to have to cut off the fancy border and just put it there. And that's going to be my 24. And then we'll have the rest for Christmas. And I definitely want to just kind of put these two for Christmas somehow. And yeah, so I'm going to cut off the borders. Oh, that's such a beautiful page too. I wonder if I have the other side. I could do both. Oh. Unfortunately, I don't have it. I do have, I've got these. I could put, oh, that's too bad because it's so big and bright and beautiful. Maybe I'll just do that for Christmas. And put the reindeer over there, and him there, and then I'm going to keep looking and see through my papers one more time. Alright, so for day 24 of December Daily, I put these pages on cardstock, and I'm just going to glue them in, and that's going to be my Christmas Eve spread. It's nice and simple. It's right in the middle of the signature. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with the pocket on the previous page, which I guess could be 23 or 24. I don't know. I didn't actually do it when before. I didn't cut these out before I did this, so I guess technically it's 24 for the pocket too on the previous page. And I'm going to put this, oh, wait a minute, wrong one. Wrong one, I want to put the reindeer first. Okay. Well, if the weather isn't too bad with raining and flooding, we're going to try to go to the holiday lights in our city with our grandson tonight, but we might have to wait for another day because it's, you know, we're still in the flooding warning. We're still having a flood warning, so I think I'll just go ahead and cover that up. The string doesn't really matter to me. And so there we go. I'm going to probably put 24 right down here, or here if it fits. But over here in this pocket, actually I think I'm going to save these two images for New Year's Day, because I don't think I want to fold them up to put them in a pocket. But here's this little one. I don't know if it'll fit this way. Maybe. This pocket's pretty tight because the book is getting so full. And then I have this one, was a miniature one of this, so I have the whole image. I need to print out a whole image of that one, only smaller. I don't think that's going to fit in there, unfortunately. I'm going to have to fold this one. So there we go. And then the Christmas tree, I'm just going to put back here in the back. If I can squeeze it in there. Oh yeah. So that's for that. And then I think I'll just put a 24 right here. I don't think I have any red 2s left. So maybe black. See if I have a 24. I see a 4 and I see a 2. So we'll go ahead and use the black. Now I lost the 4. Oh, there it is. So it is Christmas Eve when you'll be watching this, and I do hope so much that you have a lovely Christmas if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, I hope you have a lovely day anyway, of course. Doesn't matter whether you celebrate or not. I still want you all to have a happy day on the 24th and the 25th, and as I would any day. And thanks so much for watching. Please stay happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see you again after Christmas sometime to finish this journal out for December daily. And then we'll start up with January. I have a journal separately for Junk Journal January, which I showed you guys. But this one I'll continue with my personal stuff and memory keeping for January. Although well, Junk Journal January, it doesn't have a lot of room for memory keeping, I don't think. But I might be able to incorporate some memory keeping in it. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. And we'll see you after Christmas, and have a wonderful holiday season. Bye-bye.